We're here at Aliya Surf Resort. There. Yeah. This is Ika and Toys. Ika and Toys. What can you say about Aliya Surf Resort?
It's nice, but I think that I have a suggestion of what you can add at the hotel. If you can add some refrigerators.
Add some
refrigerator
and then what
some
else?
tables and chairs.
Tables and chairs. Closet, yeah. But the pool is nice.
Yeah, the pool is wonderful.
Yeah.
The pool and the beach is perfect.
Yeah, the pool and the beach is perfect. See? Beach. Right there. So, okay. So if they're visiting Baler, they can check in at what? Aliya Surf Resort.
Baler Aurora.
Baler Aurora. Where's your room? It's there.
It's over there.
On the third floor?
It's
There?
one of the clothes, right?
Yeah. There?
Yeah, the one of the clothes.
Yeah, with the clothes.
Yeah.
Alright. Say bye.
And also make the aircon more nice, more cold.
Yeah, the aircon is definitely not cold. Mommy's there.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Ready. Cast. 2, How many steps did we climb?
I don't know.
For this awesome cross.
100. 100.
Will you recommend them to go up here?
Yeah, if you still have the energy.
I don't think so.
Right now we're in Ermita Hill. And yeah, this is a place in Philippines. Daddy, what are you doing here?
Nothing.
And this is the evacuation center, where whenever people lost their homes in tsunamis, they will come here so that they can live here for temporary. Just a few more steps. We're here. Number 1.
Woo!
Okay, now we reached the top of this staircase, and here it is. Yeah.
This one? Okay. Where are we now?
Where are we now? We are at where are we, Daddy?
Ditumabao. Ditumabao.
We are at Ditumabao.